What's up, guys? Tia Evans here, aka Makeup Tycoon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk priming the lids, okay? Priming your eyelids before you put on any kind of eyeshadow for a bold look, or if you crease a lot, or if you can't get your eyeshadow to stay on all day. I personally think that prepping your eyes is something that you're failing to do, okay? So I'm going to show you how I prep my eyes. I'm going to be using two products. The first product I'm going to be using is Moodstruck Eye Primer, okay? It's a translucent formula. You don't need to color match or anything like that. It's a great item. You can use this alone, but I use this along with the Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer in my actual shade, okay? I'm not going to use a lighter shade to highlight or anything like that. We're going to actually use our shade to prep the eyelid, okay? So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is prep the eyelid. I'm going to take a little bit and just dab it all over the lid. The reason why I like to use this first is because it's really not forgiving. It is a very good eye primer. It is going to make your colors like super bold if you can lose it along, but it's not forgiving, okay? And what I mean by that is when you go to put your eyeshadow on this, it's going to be the color that you use. Like, it's going to be bright and bold, and it's going to be there. So you're going to have some skills to manipulate it. So I like to use this first underneath the concealer just to help keep my eyeshadow from creasing. It helps keep my concealer on, and it's a really good foundation, okay? And a little bit goes a long way, so this little tube will last you forever. Okay, the second thing I'm going to use, guys, is my concealer. Of course, I'm going to take a little bit and put it on. Woo, that's a lot. Well, I don't know if that's too much, but we're going to take that. Gonna dab it, and we're gonna put it on, we're gonna say a general application. We don't want to put it on too much, but you also don't want to put on too little, okay? So once you got it on your eyelid, you're gonna take your handy dandy blending bud. Everybody knows where the blending bud is, and you're gonna blend that out real nicely, okay? Since I use it in my actual shade, I don't have to worry about it, you know, matching my skin or anything like that. I used a lighter shade to highlight my eyebrow today. So if you need help with eyebrows, you can check the description. I linked the video below on how I did my eyebrows. Just going to blend that in real good. And you can see that primer underneath just really holds on to that concealer very well. Okay, that's that. The eyes are prepped and ready for eyeshadow. Any eye look that you want to do, you have now created a nice base for it to stay all day. It's not going to crease, and it's not going to come off, and it's going to be bold, and it's going to be beautiful. So if you need help color matching on a concealer, for the Mineral Touch Concealer, just drop a comment below or check the description, send me an email, hit me up on Facebook, whatever you want to do, Makeup Tycoon, and I will help you color match. And grab that primer. It's a good one. All right, you guys have a good day. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.